Hey YouTube, I figured I'd make a quick video of my BHB unboxing video. Here are the heat packs. Both of them are still warm. Okay. Alright, first I got a female checkered garter snake to go with the male I got. And then I got a male albino checkered garter snake. Really cool looking. And I got a female. I got a pair albino checkered garter snakes. Try to show you them one at a time. This is the albino female. Put her away real quick. Pretty difficult to open. This is the male. I like that bright fluorescent yellow stripe going down its back. That's really cool. Very alert, tongue flicking, very quick. You can put him back. And here's the female checkered garter snake. Very light. A lot lighter than the other one I got. It has like a greenish looking head. I don't know if you guys can see that. Really cool looking garter. Yep. That's what I got from BHB. If you guys have any comments or questions about anything, need help with anything, I'm more than happy to help anyone and everyone. And we'll be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway as soon as I get 500 subscribers and my friend SJ Superior Pythons gets 500. Once we both get 500, we'll be doing a giveaway. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.